Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing very well. So as I promised, there will be part 2 of the idiom because some of the idioms were left. I only covered 5 in the first video. So from here, in this video, we will see the rest of the 5 idioms. So before moving, I would like to uh, revise little bit what the idiom means. So we have seen idiom is a group of 2-3 words which has meaning different from its literal meaning, and it helps in beautifying our sentences, beautifying our conversation. So for example, we have seen hold your horses. It doesn't mean you have to hold your real horse. You have to slow down, you have to wait. So the word individually has different meaning, but when they came together, they make a phrase like, so they here the meaning is changed. So when the hold come, it means you have to hold something, you have to grab something. When you hear horse, it means it is an animal. But when this hold your horse come together, it changes into different meaning. So idioms basically group of words which has different meaning apart from its original meaning. Okay. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the sixth one, which was ants in the pants. And it is so funny to say ants in the pants. It means being so impatient, uneasy, overexcited, restless. Understood? We will see this with example like kids in the mall jump and run all around like they got ants in the pant. Kids running, jumping, overexcited as if they have ants in the pants. Understood? Means being impatient, being overexcited, running here and there, not so calm, not so peace. So in this, when these type of meaning you have to use, you can use this idiom. Or just sit down. It feels like you have ants in the pant. So don't jump here and there. Understand? Moving to the next one, that is seventh one. Killing 2 birds with a stone, or to kill 2 birds with a stone. It means to succeed 2 things in a single action. We have very famous Hindi muhavra also. It is like this. Ek panth do kaj. It means finishing 2 works in a single go. Okay. So we will understand with example. I need to go to the bank and there I will drop the book off at the library on the way. And I will be killing 2 birds with a single stone, or with 1 stone. I will repeat it again. I need to go to the bank and there I will drop the books off at the library on the way. I will be killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So we have seen it doesn't literally mean you have to hunt 2 birds with a single stone. It means by doing one action, you are finishing or you are completing your 2 works. So killing, stone, birds, individually they have different meaning. But when these words came together, made a phrase, kill 2 birds with a stone, their meaning totally changed. So we have seen killing 2 birds with a stone means you have to perform 2 actions with a single go. Okay. Now we will move to the eighth one. And it is to bug someone. Bug means you have seen so many bug. The famous one is bed bug. So to bug someone. What does it mean? It means to irritate someone with your action or asking so many questions. So many times you have seen some children or some adults also. They ask so many questions. They irritate you so much. So in this situation, what you will see? Oh, stop bugging me. It means stop irritating me. Stop bugging me with your stupid questions. It means stop irritating me. Just go away. Stop bugging me. Leave me alone. Stop irritating me. Just go away. Okay, next time when someone irritates you, try using this idiom. Now moving to the 9th one, and that is butterflies in the stomach. Okay, butterfly in Hindi, titli. पेट में तितलियाँ. So it has a literal meaning, पेट में तितलियाँ, but it has different meaning. When these words came together, it made a different meaning. So what does it mean? It means being so nervous, over anxious about some program or event or something. Okay, some nervousness. So we will understand this with an example. I organized party tonight and I have butterflies in my stomach already. It means I am anxious, I am worried. My party will be fine or not. Everything will be okay or not. So I am little nervous, I am excited, I am little worried. I am having butterflies in my stomach. So before moving to the last one, here I will take a little pause and want to ask which one you like the most. Please write in the comment section among all the 10 idioms, which one is your favorite one, which one you are going to use in the future in your conversation and discuss with your friends. And also write in the comment section whatever you want to see in my next video. I will try to make video over that. Okay. So now moving to the last but not the least, the idiom is rat race. Rat means mouse. Rat race. So as we have seen, the meaning is totally different, not the original rat race. It means an endless, pointless pursuit or the situation on which continuous or with a severe competition. Means there is some situation which is continuous and you are just stuck in that situation. So in that situation we will use I am in the rat race. So what does it mean, rat race? It means a way of life in which people are caught up. There is some competitive or struggle for wealth or power. People are just stuck there and they are continuing with their work in order to gain wealth or in order to gain some power. But they are just stuck and doing continuously the same endless process. Okay. So for example, they quit the rat race in order to live a simple family life. Okay. It means they must be doing some work or doing some job where they don't have time for their family. So they quit that job and now with less money or without money, they are enjoying their family life because in that job, they don't have time to spend with the family. So they quit the rat race. I hope you understood all the lesson. And whatever you didn't understand, please write in the comment section. I will reply over that. So on the finishing note, I would like to say, if you are liking my video, please motivate me. Give a thumbs up to the video. Share with the friends and family, especially with the kids. And please subscribe to my channel. With your support, I will be making so many good videos. Okay, thanks for watching and giving me so much of time. Bye-bye.